Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I am going to show you modern balcony design. A balcony is a platform on the outside of a building enclosed by walls or balustrade supported by columns or console brackets. The platform is projecting from the wall of building, usually above the ground floor. It gives a feeling of outdoors while still inside. It is such a nice space to spend time sitting and reading. It is another entertaining space to use without having to spend all of the time in the living room. It opens up a new space to decorate with garden items. It is the perfect space to eat breakfast in during the summer. Generally, balconies are romantic ads on a supposed luxury. Below are some ideas on how to do exactly that. The look of your balcony with a pattern rug to put underneath an outdoor table or floor pillows. Be sure to choose one that will stand up to elements. Pack your balcony with planters filled with lush plants to create the feel of that you have always wanted. Design a greener balcony with added garden decor and remember to even use taller plants like bamboo to create a skin of privacy. It is also really beautiful to wrap and dangle over the railing, and potted plants dotted around the areas can ensure that cozy enclosed garden feeling. Whether you want to soak up the sun or curl up with the look, a couple outdoor day pads or long chairs might be all you need for a restful retreat. Add some outdoor pillows to make things extra comfort. There is no need to invest in outdoor furniture, especially if you are just renting. Get some colorful and comfortable floor pillows that can do double duty inside. Hang planters or weather resistance are to help your balcony feel like an extension of your apartment. Option hang fuel light and add small lamps or lanterns as atmospheric decoration. Alternative hang shelves to add some extra storage, maybe for wine things if you are working with a small apartments. They are like additional room when you have guests at home. You can have a quick private conservation on your balcony when the rest of the house is full. The space is also ideal for reading, having a drink, or just relaxing. This is especially true when you want to stay outside but do not want to go outside. In a way, the small space allows you to witness everything that happens outside without exposing yourself to much trouble. If you have children, you can have them play on a safe balcony during the day so they get a good supply of vitamin D from the sun. They will be close to you while you are in the house, and calling them inside will not require you to go upstairs. If you are adopting an inexpensive lifestyle such as saving electricity bills by air drying your clothes, you have biggest advantage of having a balcony. You can also have a garden in the same space. It will allow you to discover the beauty of plants while giving your small pleasures, taking care of them in journal. The decoration of a balcony and its arrangement of a small terrace that form an exterior room is the idea of those who wish to have a place to read outdoors. Therefore, the goal is to create space that look like an extension of interior of the house. A synthetic wicker sofa and sturdy coffee table will provide comfort from the inside out. A folding chair will add one more place to sit. We hope there are many decorating ideas to take from this collection of images and other videos on the same theme. Small benches of furniture covered with cushions for sitting and storing. Even better, it can be large enough to accommodate two people. If you are setting a small dining table, consider grabbing one that folds to create more legroom. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.